Hi everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to download and install Bluestacks in Windows. So let's get started. So first thing, just Google download Bluestacks. You'll be getting the official link from bluestacks.com. Just click that, and here we will be having two versions. One is Bluestacks 10 and another one is Bluestacks 5. 10 is the latest version. Just click it and the download will be getting started. Just a fast download. Double click it and click on yes and just select install now and click on I agree. So it's about 155 MB in size to download. After that it will also install, so just be patient till then. And once the download is complete, you will be getting an interface like this. Just click on OK. Yeah, here also. And that's it. You will be getting your default Bluestacks. And if you want to go to the Play Store, you can just click this and you need to sign in with your Google account, and after that you can just try downloading any mobile apps. So I hope you have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.